Hey, what's up, you all? This is Steve, your Captain Chef, between my channel. I'm at Braille, New Jersey, and I'm going deep sea for a fishing trip. This is a 10.5-hour fishing trip, and we are targeting sea bass. This is the end of the season. Tomorrow is going to be the last day for the sea bass, and I don't want to miss this opportunity. There are a few party boats at the fishing ground. New Jersey regulation allowed to keep 10 sea bass at 12.5 inch.
Jig right now. Got him on a jig right now.
Hey, what's up, you all? Welcome to my kitchen. What great fishing day today. The whole day full of actions and the whole boat leaving out on the sea bass. I caught over 50 of the sea bass and be able to bring home 10 of this big sea bass. Upon the request of a longtime channel supporter, I'm going to share with you a recipe. It's called grilled fish. Man, cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's get started. First, remove the scale. Then open the fish through the back with the belly attached. Remove the gill along with the gut. Season the fish with salt and marinate the fish with ginger and scallion. Make a few cuts on the fish for easy cooking. Brush seasoned oil or cooking oil on the fish. Put the fish in a grill basket. Spread some soy sauce on the fish. Brush some more oil at this time. Apply barbecue spices at this time. You can find these spices in the Oriental store. Turn the fish from time to time. The cooking time should be within 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, apply some sesame seed and chopped scallion. This is the grilled sea bass I'm talking about. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe my channel. Your support is very important to me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.